Je, unamtambua ambaye ni daughter-in-law wa Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya William Ruto, ambaye ni mkewe Nick Ruto, ambaye ndiye mwanawe wa kwanza Rais William Ruto, ambaye ni mtoto wa kiume wa kwanza samahani. Leo nataka kukufahamisha kumhusu binti huyu ambaye ndiye alimzalia mjukuu wa kwanza Rais William Ruto kupitia kwa mwanawe Nick Ruto. Jina lake ni Everlyn Chemtai Sam alias Chemtai. That is her name and the name of the lovely, gorgeous and wonderful lady. She comes from the Kalenjin community in the Rift Valley, Laikipia County. This beauty is fortunate to be the wife of William Ruto's firstborn son, Nick Ruto, and the daughter-in-law of Kenya's fifth president, as previously stated by Dr. William Ruto during the campaign period, where she accompanied Ruto together with her husband, the son to William Ruto, Nick Ruto, during the campaign period at a church event. The young couple tied a knot in a colorful and beautiful traditional Kalenjin wedding known as Koito in January in the year 2021 at Ruto's home in Sugoi, Eldoret. Nick Ruto is a learned man because he is a professional lawyer and a high court advocate. His wife, on the other hand, her education, history, and even her profession are not yet public knowledge. But remembering clearly, she is also a learned fella because the both of them, Nick and Everlyn Chemtai, fell in love while they were both in campus. But Everlyn appears to be a true definition of beauty with a great intellectual capacity. Now, if you look at the pictures, you will see that Madam Rachel Ruto, the First Lady of the Republic of Kenya, adores and loves her daughter-in-law so much. Because in the photos, you can see how happy they are together. Yeah, I bet I decided to remind you of this Koito wedding which happened during the campaign period when the then President Uhuru Kenyatta was campaigning for Raila Odinga and not for William Ruto, who was then his deputy. And remember, Uhuru Kenyatta also sent his congratulatory messages to Ruto's daughter-in-law and his son Nick Ruto. That's what's up. Make sure you subscribe to FM Show KE. My name is Felix Wanda. See you in the next video.